Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding without milk. Many people enjoy the rich, creamy texture of pudding, but sometimes dairy milk isn't an option. Perhaps you have dietary restrictions, allergies, or simply prefer plant-based ingredients. Don't worry, achieving that perfect pudding consistency is absolutely possible with a few simple swaps. We'll explore how to create a delightful dessert that everyone can enjoy, completely milk-free. To begin, you'll need your core pudding ingredients: sugar, a thickening agent like cornstarch, and your chosen liquid. For a milk-free version, simply swap out dairy milk for an equal amount of your favorite plant-based alternative. Almond, soy, oat, or even coconut milk work wonderfully, each lending a slightly different flavor profile. You'll typically use about 1 1/2 cups of liquid. For a chocolate pudding, add about 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Making your milk-free pudding is quite straightforward. First, combine your dry ingredients, such as 1/2 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, in a saucepan. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of your plant-based milk alternative until smooth. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring continuously. This constant stirring is crucial to prevent scorching and ensure a lump-free, creamy consistency. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the pudding visibly thickens. Once your pudding reaches the desired thickness, remove it from the heat. Now is the perfect time to stir in flavorings like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a dash of cinnamon. For an extra treat, consider adding a tablespoon of nut butter. You can enjoy your pudding warm or chill it for at least 2 hours for a firmer texture. Garnish with fresh fruit, a dollop of coconut whipped cream, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings for a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.